Till now, Live for Lives has gone through three major releases: 1.0, 1.1, and then 2.0.1. 2.0.1 is the latest release, and in this video, I'm going to discuss about the new features added into this release. Let's first understand purpose of different release versions. Release 1 was targeted to have complete project lifecycle, but it had multi-page design. By multi-page design, I mean something similar to Flipkart.com, wherein there is one home page, and then there is browsing page, and then there is product page, and then there are different other pages, for example, thematic stores, category landing page. Now, release 2 is targeted to have the same features with few more additions, and most importantly, it is targeted to have a single page design, something similar to Facebook, wherein user navigates throughout the product, but he feels as if he's on the same page. In short, user navigates through different pages in multi-page design, whereas in single-page design, user sees only one layout throughout. Let's now see the demo of the latest release. Release 1 is already in use by 3 different enterprise customers, so we deployed latest release on another domain to avoid conflicts. This is how homepage looks now. We no more require user to select the city the first time he visits Live for Lives. Rather, we use location services to track current city of user, and if that city is not available with Live for Lives, we choose a default one, which is right now Gurgaon. In incognito mode of Chrome, no cookie is retained after browser is closed. So let's open it there to demonstrate. So you can see that it just now detected my city as Delhi and opened the home page for Delhi. Let's go back to the normal mode. So in this mode, once you have visited Live for Lives, we'll be storing a cookie wherein your current city will be stored, and thereafter, every time you visit next, city will be used from that cookie. So location services won't be used then. Rather, you can change city using this drop down over here. The whole layout is divided into three sections: LHS and RHS navigations, and main display located centrally. In LHS and RHS, whatever section is being displayed currently at center will be in bold. For example, right now we are searching volunteering opportunities for a cause, so for cause section is highlighted, and if we select cry, let's say over here, then cry will get highlighted. If we select Sweksha, then it will get highlighted over here, and similarly if we select wildlife over here in causes section, then it will be highlighted. Moreover, also notice this color change of the selected one. So this one is dark orange, whereas rest are light orange, and they change color on hover only. As we can see here, homepage has option to search volunteering opportunities either by cause or organization. Let's try searching by cause first. Notice this change in color on hover. Let's click on for cause. So you can see that different causes which are available for city are displayed over here, and if you hover on any of these causes, then color of that cause will change, both text and the circle. And on the right hand side navigation panel, you will see some of these causes listed over here, and if you want to see other causes, then basically you can click on more, which comes only when you hover over this causes section. For example, if I go over here, more disappeared, and if I go back to this section, then more came again. So let's go to some other thing. For example, if I am at art of living and then I want to see more causes, then I can just go over here, click on more, and I'll be able to see all the causes over here. Now, if you want to explore projects in a particular cause, then you can simply go to that cause. For example, let's click on entertainment. Then basically these are different projects available for that cause, and you can see breadcrumb over here. So clicking on the breadcrumb will take you to the previous entries. For example, this brought us to the home, and then these are minimal details as available on browsing page earlier also. and there are options to volunteer and options to see details of the project. These icons will be modified soon. So this page is paginated, and so you can navigate through the pages. And the best thing is that every page, everything has a unique URL. So if you want to land in that page directly later on, you can just land it over there and see it here. So entertainment is not in RHS section, so it is not getting highlighted. So if we choose something from RHS, for example sports, it will get highlighted. So you can see that in the sports category in Delhi, these are the projects. And if you go to next page, then these are the projects. And you can also go back and forward because changes are done in URL. Now let's move forward. If same project is running at multiple locations, search result will show only one entry for that project, and to see rest of the entries you need to go to details page as mentioned here. So since this project is running at multiple locations, so this message is coming over here, but since this project is not running in multiple locations, so no such message appears over here. Let's now see how search by organization works. In search by organization, you can see that how many projects are running in this organization is listed below that, and similarly below each of these organizations. And if you visit one of these, let's say I visited this one, so here also when same project is running at multiple locations, then basically one entry will be shown for that project, and the message for that will be shown over here. Navigation options for search by organization are similar to that for search by cause. RHS navigation also works similarly. So you can see that currently we are seeing home, art of living. So art of living is over here, and breadcrumb is also similar. For example, if we go here, then search by organization will open. And if we choose another RHS option, then that will open. Yet another, this one will open. Then pagination is similar, and more option is also similar. Let's now see how changing city works. Changing city will impact RHS section of causes and later on list of causes also. As you can see over here, there is no cause available having projects right now in Ghaziabad, so it says no causes to show. And if I change it to Noida, then also there is no cause in Noida available right now. If I change to Gurgaon, then there are three, and if I go for more, then only three options are there. And if I now go to Delhi, then basically you can see the change. Now let's again change to a city where there is no project to see how central display looks in that case. For example, if we go to Noida again, then it says sorry, no project is currently ongoing or planned in Noida, and here also there is no causes to show. Now let's go back to Delhi, so it comes again. Finally, I would like to mention few subtle changes. Logo and the favicon are better now, and also in header we don't have any links. Everything appears as button, as you can see over here, which is more elegant design basically. So this completes this demo.